Welcome to my full review of Bank of America's SBA loan options. If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur looking for reliable financing, you're likely considering the SBA 7(a) or 504 loan programs offered through Bank of America. In this video, I'll walk you through my experience with their services, from initial application to loan approval and disbursement. The application process is relatively straightforward, but it's not the fastest. After filling out the initial online form, I was contacted by a business loan specialist within a few days. The representative was helpful but clearly juggling many clients, which led to some delays in communication. The documents required are extensive. Expect to submit business financials, tax returns, a business plan, and collateral details. One thing I noticed was that Bank of America tends to favor more established businesses. If you have a newer business or inconsistent cash flow, approval might be more difficult compared to online lenders. That said, if your credit and financials are solid, you will benefit from lower interest rates and better terms than many competitors. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the pros. Interest rates were competitive, especially for the SBA 7(a) program, and loan terms can stretch up to 25 years depending on what you're using the funds for. Customer service was decent once I was assigned a dedicated advisor. I also appreciated the level of transparency Bank of America provides in outlining fees, terms, and timelines. However, there are some cons you need to be aware of. The timeline for approval and funding can be long. Mine took about 6 weeks from start to finish. There's also a significant amount of paperwork compared to fintech lenders. Additionally, some fees like packaging or servicing fees are not always clear until deep into the process. Another point to consider is the digital interface. While Bank of America's business portal is functional, it's not as user-friendly or modern as some newer fintech competitors. Uploading documents and tracking your application status could be more intuitive. I often had to follow up manually to get updates. That said, for businesses that qualify, Bank of America remains a strong option for SBA-backed financing. Their reputation, loan variety, and terms are solid. But if speed, tech usability, or minimal paperwork is your top priority, you might want to explore alternatives as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dive reviews on financial products and services.